What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing AVL Jerry from Despicable Me 4. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw a large circle for the eye. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top. Go counterclockwise all the way down towards the bottom. And we'll bend that back up towards the top. Now I want to add a thick frame along the inside. So starting from the top, step down, I'm just going to trace that circle. Again, going all the way around and then back up. Now inside that center circle, we're going to bring the eyelid coming down. So starting on the left, we're going to bend this down in the middle and then back up. And then in the center, we're going to tuck the iris and pupil underneath, stepping back out, draw a half circle, go around and up, draw a smaller half circle for the pupil, and we'll fill the pupil in black. Let's add those metal clips on the side. On the left side, I'm going to step up, go straight out, line it up on the right, come straight down towards the bottom, and we'll pull that back in towards the side. Let's split this clip in half, going across the center. Now the straps are going to go in behind those clips. Starting from the top left corner, step down, go all the way out towards the side. And then from the bottom we'll do the same thing, stepping up. And then we'll close off the ends. Now I want to show that the strap goes around the head. So on the top left, we want to step in, curve the head, going up, around at the head, go across towards the right, and then bring that back down. Now let's add those spikes across the top of the head, starting in the middle with a straight line going up. Now we'll continue to add these spikes going out towards the left, aiming towards the center of the pupil. So step out. And go back to the top, step out towards the right. From the bottom of the eye, we're going to step down and add a curve for the mouth. We're going to go up and then bend that back down. Now we're going to continue the side of the head going down in behind the strap. So line this up, go straight down to right about there. Do the same thing on the right, going down towards the same height. Now we're going to curve the collar in towards the center point. Starting back on the left, coming down and in just underneath the mouth. And bend this out and then up towards the right. Let's leave a gap underneath the corner of the head and draw the side of the body. So on the left side, I'm going to step down, straight down towards the bottom of the jacket, and do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height, and we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's draw the inside collar of the jacket. We're going to start from the bottom corner of the head, come down and across, go past the middle and over towards the left, and then come straight down. Over on the left side, I'm going to draw that same curve. We're going to come in towards the center of the body. So come down and then in. Let's go back to that top point, bend the collar, going out and then down towards the bottom. And we'll add the tie in the center. Starting from the side, down and in with a straight line. Close out the bottom. And then from these two corners, angles down and out in behind the jacket. Let's draw the top half of the jacket collar. Starting on the left, angles down and out. Connect the base of the head to the bottom of the collar with a curve, going down and in. Now let's draw the bottom half, coming down and out. Now I'm going to start with the right side, coming down and bending that in toward the inside point. And then on the left, just going to tuck this in behind. Let's add a circle in the center for the button, and then we'll fill that in black. Let's add a simple badge over on the right side. Start with a straight line going across, and then we'll draw a rectangle, coming down with two shorter lines, and close off the bottom. Now inside, we're going to add the letters AVL. I'm just going to simplify this. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Go to the middle, draw a straight line coming down towards the inside of the heels. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. So we're going to start with the left side, coming down and up. Now going back to the left side, let's round out the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll just curl that back up towards the inside. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now from the bottom corners of the body, we're going to step in. It's going to draw the side of the leg, coming down and then bending that in on top of the feet. Now with the pose of the character, we're going to tuck the arms in behind the body. So from the base of the neck, bend this out and then down towards the elbows. And then bend the arms, coming down and in towards the side of the body. And then in the center of the arm, on the inside, we're going to add a fold. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw AVL Jerry from Despicable Me 4. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. What's up everyone, and welcome to our club memberships. Are you ready to take your art skills to the next level? Well, I've got something special just for you. Introducing our channel membership, starting at only $1 per month. For less than the price of a cup of coffee, you'll get exclusive access to a world of bonus features and perks that will enhance your journey with me. As a member, you'll be treated to brand new weekly tutorials that are available only to our valued members. Want to learn the latest techniques and dive deeper into the topics I cover? This is your chance. You'll also gain access to our member-only community feed where you can connect with fellow members, share your progress, and participate in exclusive polls. Your voice matters, and I want to hear from you. And let's talk about the perks. You'll receive a set of custom chat emojis to use during our live streams and premieres, adding a personal touch to your interactions with me. Plus, you'll proudly showcase your support with special member badges that highlight your dedication. But wait, there's more. As a member, you'll get access to future perks I roll out. I'm constantly working behind the scenes to bring you even more exclusive content, surprises, and experiences. So join our channel membership today and become a part of our exclusive community. For just $1 per month, you'll unlock a world of premium content, engagement, and fun. Click that join button now and let's embark on this exciting journey together.